Natural remedies for fibroids. Although there are no guaranteed natural remedies for fibroids, there are a few treatments that you can try which may help to reduce their size or at least prevent them growing further, and reduce the heavy bleeding that is often associated with uterine fibroids. Fibroids are non-cancerous tumors usually found in the womb, uterus, and are very common in women of childbearing age. They appear in about 25% of white women and 50% of black women. Some women may have them without knowing, but in other cases they can grow to a size where they cause pain and a noticeably swollen abdomen. The swelling may make a woman look pregnant. She will often have very heavy and painful periods. Fibroids may cause pain at other times too, for example during sex. They can also interfere with pregnancy, either making it difficult to get pregnant in the first place or causing miscarriage, premature birth or bleeding during the pregnancy. If they press on the bladder they may cause incontinence as well as pain. The cause of fibroids is thought to be hormonal. They almost always shrink or disappear after the menopause, unless a woman takes hormone replacement therapy. Genetics may also play a part in the causes of these uterine growths. The standard medical treatment, if required, is surgery. In the past, the only option was hysterectomy, i.e. complete removal of the womb. Now it is possible in many cases to have what is called a myomectomy, in which only the fibroids themselves are removed. If successful, this means that you can still have children afterward. The surgical procedure that is recommended will depend on the size and number of the growths. If you do not need surgery or decide against it, you may want to look for a natural remedy that will help deal with the symptoms. Doctors will often recommend contraceptive pills, but not every woman wants to take these. You may want to try the following home remedies that some women have found helpful. Consult your doctor first and again if the symptoms persist or increase. Apple cider vinegar. ACV may shrink the fibroids. It certainly reduces discomfort in many cases, and unless there is some reason why you should not take vinegar, it will not do you any harm. If you are overweight you may find it has the added benefit of helping you to lose a few pounds. Take 1 tablespoon 3 times a day. Molasses. Some women recommend molasses for reducing the size of fibroids. The usual dose is 1 tablespoon 3 times per day. Be aware that molasses is high in calories, iron and copper. It is important to monitor your intake of all of these, as too much can cause other problems. Blackstrap molasses also contains sulfur, which can thin the blood and may therefore increase the menstrual bleeding in some women. Herbs. There are some herbal medicines that may help in some cases. Herbs that balance the hormones, such as Agnus castus or yarrow, may be recommended. Do not take blue or black cohosh, which are likely to increase the symptoms. If you want to try herbal medicine, the best solution is to see a qualified and experienced herbalist who will take a full history, consider different possibilities and monitor the results of the suggested herbal natural remedies for fibroids.